Today is test day. I'm going to be taking the bags out and giving them a good test. Recycled packaging as well. Oh, here we go. This is they call it the SLR, but it's DSLR. It's a camera bag, basically. It is a waterproof camera bag. A couple of heavy duty straps. Buckles are always heavy duty on these. A little, I wouldn't say carabiner, but a little clip. Got quite a few of those now. Oh, let's dive in. Cut to me diving in. I've decided to go a little, I don't want to say overboard, that's cheap, isn't it? But I've gone overboard. I've brought out my vintage 70s manual beastie lens just to show you that this stuff does fit in here. And there is also 3 various sensibly sized lenses, and I'm going to show you how it sits on your body. Now, you saw the size of that lens. There's still room in there. So the 15 litre is big enough for a 300mm tele lens. Now, as I'm going to mention later, some padded straps would be a nice upgrade. So that's how it sits on your back. Pretty much stays where it should do. I'm just casually going along. I was like, oh, a cool thing. Quick draw, on we go. Bang, 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 bang. Nailed it. I'm going to counter photo you here. And I've counter photoed you. So, yes, sling bag. Maybe if the straps were a little longer, but I can always attach 2 together, but that's fine. I've got a quick draw bag now. Internal pockets are keeping the lenses separate. I'm sure I've showed you that. Let me show you again. See how my lenses are nice and safe in their little pockets. Maybe little lens cases, little bags would be nice. And like I say, putting that in a bag, putting the camera in a separate bag, like one of the smaller ones, will just keep everything nice and secure. But the bottom has padding, the sides do not. Also, what I would have liked to have seen was a couple of accessory pockets on the outside. But for the price, you are getting a lot of bag. If Overboard are listening, there are a couple of things that immediately jumped out at me that it's screaming out for sort of advanced model, a new one. Straps, padded straps would be nice, stop it slipping a little bit. And like on the 30 litre bag where you have the Velcro strap that comes over to secure, let me show you, to actually secure that top bit. So it's not just flapping around. I found that really useful. A little strap. And inside as well, I like the padding on the bottom, but padding on the inside would be most welcomed. And in here, some sort of proper dividers, or even a pull-out tray. A pull-out tray with all your kit on, that'd be a game changer. Everything else is Overboard quality. Can't fault it, won't fault it. It's just this model, even as affordable as it is, I just feel you're missing a trick not bringing out an advanced or a pro sports version. I don't know if this is in the pro sports range, but yeah, anyway, we're going to carry on. They're not negatives, because the bag is so cheap anyway. Yeah, I'm not knocking it. It's just, give us another upgraded model and oh, it'll be absolutely perfect. Right, back to it. So pretty much all we can do now is test the waterproofing. Now, I know how IP67 works. It's quick submersions for a few minutes, but forced submersions, like if it was on my back and I was in the water and I lay down, water's coming in. Can't avoid it. It's IP67. So I'm going to take out all my nice expensive kit, put it in another bag, stick some loo roll in here. You know the loo roll test if you've watched my other reviews. And see how we get on, and that'll conclude it. Alright guys, see you when I get wet. So you might not have been able to see that very well, but I actually just put my foot on it and stuck it under the water. I now have nice wet boots. Oh, that didn't do bad, even though the air bubbles were coming out. So that was a quick submersion. I had my foot on it. Tissue's dry. Let's show you in better light. Come with me. So that was with my foot on it. A few drops here. Now, if you have, like I have, weather sealed lenses, big tick, big pass. You know, it's overboard. We know what we know what to expect. Right, I'm going to take it home and clean it because I like it and want to keep it nice. And that's the water test. I'm happy. I'm happy with this bag. Yep, I've not come across a bad Overboard product yet. I just think they're incapable of doing bad products. Anyone's noticed anything different, please let me know in the comments, but I'll be extremely surprised. Alright guys, check out the next video when it goes live, like and subscribe, I'll catch you for the next one.